Getting her done.
That's right. Get her done. Happy Monday.
Yep.
Alrighty. Going my way? Yep, just walk it out. Okay. Alright, turn. Go up here. The voodoo in a can.
Yeah. I feel great.
Magically converts rust into primer. Black magic! Crucify him! It's witchcraft! Get back, you witch! Who needs dino mat when you got dino skin? That's Timu dino mat. Huh? That's not bad. You gotta cut holes for the seat belts and stuff too.
Yeah.
Gotta cut holes in your brand new carpet. You got all the square body stuff going on here. And Supergirl. Yep. 13/16. It's non-metrical. Take the back off and then see how nasty it is underneath.
Probably very.
Yep. Maybe we can get the that sliding mechanism fixed. Maybe. We'll see.
Dirty that way. Rust-wise.
Yep.
Alright, ready? Go.
Nasty. This is tell you a minute. I actually can't even remember, but
Figure out how to get it right.
I just start pulling. If you flip it over, there you go. Now just start pulling it. Don't worry about tearing it. There you go. Foam's good.
Yep.
So this piece, the spring, it's just a long, thin piece of metal that we cut off somewhere, but it was gone. And then if it's missing and you don't have time to wait, other way. There we go. See, it pulls that one.
Nice and firm.
Yep. And then all you got to do is go into the aisle where they have the cables and buy you a few things at Home Depot. This spring was missing, so we just got one of those. It looks like a bed spring kind of, for garage doors and stuff. Gates.
Should slide.
Yeah.
Get a little weight on it.
We'll lube it up a little bit too, so. Hey.
Huh.
Is it good?
It's great.
All right, perfect.
Set.
Yeah. Looks pretty good. I like this pattern, honestly. I really do. I like that.
Stylish.
Yep.
Styling, man.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I think the charcoal's gonna look good in it, although it's not what we expected. Sometimes the best surprises aren't what you expect.
That's right. When are we doing mine?
When you get seats that go in yours.
Yeah, that's right. I need seats first. Knock the camera over real quick.
Yep. Excellent. All right. Now lean it. You're gonna go under the steering wheel with the seat. There we go. Now we should be able to fold it.
Okay.
And let it latch. There we go.
Let's go ahead and
Yep.
do one at a time, I guess.
Well, put it kind of in place right there. There we go. Now, let's do the back.
Okay.
Set it up here like this.
Oh!
You okay?
Yeah, that's good. I'm gonna do a nasty bloodless.
Yours too crooked. I can't.
You're hanging up on the front bolts.
Yep. I just need to get it started, and then we'll pull the front ones out.
Okay.
Hang on. Quit pushing the seat. Lights.
Camera. Whoops. Why are you looking at me like, what are you doing? Boy.
There we go.
Where's that?
What do you think?
I think it's job well done. Nah, it's all right. I'll give you $500 for it.
Oh. Get a razor blade.
Oh, yeah.
Well, the truck was always real nice on the outside. Interior was a little bit rough. Now, it's a nice cover. Floor. Got this all done up. Got the new sill plates on. Those were a little bit of a booger getting them lined up. Always are. We fixed up the glove box here. So everything works. It wouldn't stay latched. Now it almost stays latched a little too good, but so floor, we put the AC duct over here. We put the AC duct that goes under here. This one was missing. And now we got air out of all of the ducts. So yeah, think this is a pretty good interior mini resto. And there we go.